I just had to do a little video to show you this outfit because this blazer, right, this is from ASOS. This blazer and shorts set, it's from a brand I've never heard of. Hold on, from a brand called Soho Wardrobe. Have you guys ever heard of this brand? I haven't, but anyway, I don't know if they're new on ASOS or I've just never noticed them. Wrong, these are higher price point items, right? But the quality of this blazer, first of all, this is a grey fucking marl blazer. The only thing I'm pissed off about is that we didn't do this in Reason before they did it, because this is so fucking Hailey Bieber LA coded, I can't even deal. The shape of this fucking blazer, I am shaking. I'm a blazer connoisseur. I know a good fucking blazer when I see one, and this is next level, and I love the fact that it's in grey marl. Wow. And then the matching shorts, look at the inside, there's pockets, it's fully lined. Like, this is next level. This is next level. Like, I feel so fucking good in this. Like, wow. So I just wanted to show you because this is insane. I just put a little Bershka vest top on.